To add files to a SharePoint folder, follow these steps. Open SharePoint. Navigate to your SharePoint site using a web browser and go to the document library containing the folder where you want to upload files. Locate the folder. Browse through the document library to find the specific folder where you want to add files. Click on the folder to open it. Upload files. Click on the Upload button, usually located in the toolbar at the top of the page. You will typically see options such as Upload Files or Upload Folder, depending on whether you want to upload individual files or an entire folder. Select Files. In the File Picker dialog, browse to the location on your computer where the files are stored. Select the files you want to upload and click Open or Select. If uploading a folder, select the folder and click Upload. Confirm upload. The files will start uploading to the selected folder. A progress bar may appear showing the status of the upload. Check files. Once the upload is complete, the new files will appear in the SharePoint folder. You can now view, edit or manage them as needed.